Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, we're dealing with some rain out there on this Tuesday morning. You can see it on the live radar picture here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Some steadier showers mainly to the north, northern Harrison County, back up towards Robertson and now working towards Mason County as well. That's in southern Pendleton and Bracken counties, just outside of the viewing area. Some steadier showers down towards Paris. Same story on the Madison and Fayette and Clark County lines there. Some steadier rain right along the Kentucky River area. And then just south of Nicholasville dealing with some rain as well. Frankfort back towards Lawrenceburg dealing with some spotty showers. A little further to the south, it's fairly spotty in nature, but some light rain as well. And still rain back off to the west that has to work in this direction. You can still see all of it developing back towards Louisville and Owensboro and Evansville. All of this has to sweep back through. Even some showers down towards Campbellsville that are about to move through southern portions of our area. So satellite and radar looks like this. We have this warm front here that is lifting to the north here, bringing this shower and rain activity. We even had a little bit of freezing rain in far northeastern Kentucky earlier this morning. Now it's pretty much all just normal rain. Now, as this front works north, it's going to get fairly warm for our southernmost communities. However, the farther north you are, it'll be a pretty sharp cutoff with how warm those temperatures get. I'll show you that on the temperature map in just a moment. And then as the cold front approaches, we could get some stronger storms later on this afternoon. So futurecast looks like this. We'll have the rain around this morning and through middle of the day as the warm front lifts north. Notice how it pretty much parks itself just to the north of our area across northern Kentucky near the Ohio River here. And then we're left with possibly some strong storms later on as the front approaches. That's this evening, later on today, that we could see some of those strong to severe storms. I think the severe threat is fairly low, but it's still there and a possibility as the day goes on. Now, as the cold front passes, we dry out overnight. We'll have some showers early and then it turns slightly drier. Again, level 1 risk for some strong to severe storms in here, mostly for central down into southern Kentucky and back off to the west. A lot of eastern Kentucky is not included in this, although some areas along the Mountain Parkway still included in it. Again, it's a fairly low threat for us. However, the threat for some strong storms is still there, especially as we go on into the afternoon and evening hours. Now, live look outside. It is a wet start for us. You can see that here in Lexington. And it's a chilly rain, 42 degrees out at Bluegrass Airport. That feels like temperature down into the 30s. So grab the jacket, but also the rain gear as you head out the door. Now, high temperatures today. Notice you can see where the warm front is pretty much going to park itself here. We're pushing 70 degrees when you head down closer to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line, but then only in the 50s farther north. 57 here in Lexington, only 50 for an afternoon high up in Flemingsburg. Compare that to 66 in Somerset and 68 in Monticello with showers and storms around. Now, overnight lows tonight were 40s across central and northern Kentucky. 50s, though, the farther south and east you head. So scattered showers, especially early, with some patchy fog a possibility. All right, next big thing after that is rain chances that work in here later on. This is Thursday and into Friday. More scattered showers and storms a possibility for us. So this rainy pattern not done with us just yet. Here's the 7-day forecast. Again, showers and storms around today. The potential for a couple of them to be on the strong side. So we'll watch for that. We'll have you covered all afternoon and into this evening. And then a break tomorrow before more showers and storms possible late Thursday and into Friday and lingering into Saturday as well before we dry out with some sunshine by Sunday.